And here we go. We've got it maybe a little bit too close. There you go. We can put them in the slime. We've got them. And put them in the slime.
Yeah.
We've got them in the slime.
Made out of steel, how does it feel to be walked all over hills, leaving a trail, gun and pigtails, blood drips on your shoulder.